Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Subrata Sarker. I'm a mechanical engineer working in manufacturing industry since last 22 years. Today I'm going to share or make it very simple what is body mass index. Body mass index is basically the correctness of your weight. Your weight cannot alone cannot say anything actually, whether it is right or wrong. It is always a function of your height. You can see a graphical presentation here. The vertical axis represents your weight and horizontal axis represents your the vertical axis represents your height, horizontal axis represents your weight, and the different zones, like first it is underweight, and second is normal weight, then overweight, then obese, then morbid obese. Now what is the significance of it? For example, say if you say a person has got a 70 kg weight, it doesn't mean anything whether he is overweight, underweight or normal. Take this example. Say the person has weight of 70 kg but height is 5 feet 11 inch or 9 inch. Then if you draw this point, it comes in the green zone. It means a person having 5 feet 9 inch height and weight is 70 kg, this is normal. At the same time, if the person having height is 4 feet 11 inch and weight is 70 kg, he or she will be overweight. So in this way, from this graph, you can find yourself in which zone you are by putting drawing the line from your height and the corresponding your weight. So there is also a formula actually called body mass index. This is basically your weight in kg divided by your height in meters square. For example, say your body weight is 75 kg and your height is say 1.6 meter, so your body mass index will be 75 divided by 1.6 divided by 1.6, that is 29.3. So you can see here in this picture, if a person having body mass index less than 18.5, he or she called underweight. And if the body mass index is between 18.5 to 24.9, it's called normal weight. And if body mass index is between 25 to 29.9, it's called overweight. And if body mass index is between 30 to 34.9, it's called the obese. For example, if you say the height of 5 to 6 inches, the person having weight range of 100 kg comes in this category actually. Severely obese. If your body mass index is between 35 to 39.9, so you are severely obese. And if your body mass index is between 40 and less than 60, you are morbid obese. And if your body mass index is more than 60, you are highly morbid obese. Like person normal height, person having say height close to 6 feet and weight say 200 kg, like that. Now, what are the reasons of obesity? There are only few reasons. One is the metabolic disorder, hormonal imbalances, laziness, and hereditary factor also contribute sometimes, post-surgery, and the medicinal effects sometimes, emotional imbalances, environmental causes, and addiction. And addiction, here I'm talking about this addiction actually. This is called food addiction. There's the emotional eating, which is to call. Many times people actually watching TV and getting continuously consuming food actually. So this is actually one and number one reason for obesity is overeating, and later it converted into addiction actually. Now there are a lot of health risks actually being overweight. For example, diabetes type 2, high blood pressure, a lot of heart diseases, high cholesterol, gallbladder issues, even sleep apnea, osteoporosis and fatty liver, even up to cancer. So these are the things actually, prone to health risk for the overweight. Today in developed country mostly, like in US, 31% people are overweight. But there are countries like Japan, Korea, they have 3% people are overweight actually. Now, how to overcome or to check actually not being overweight? Actually, you should eat better with consulting with the dietitian, or you study yourself for the better diet suitable with your your lifestyle. And you should do everybody should rather exercise, physical exercise, because our lifestyle is getting a lot of physical work is day by day, reducing actually. Sleep more time, at least 8 hours, minimum 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours you sleep. You will be very, very good for health actually. Breakfast is very much important, which most of the people are skipping actually. Even you skip your lunch, doesn't matter, but you should don't skip your breakfast and make it a large actually. And eat a lot of fruits, drink at least 3 to 5 liter water per day. So, if you find this presentation is informative about the body mass index concept, you can share with your friends and families. And if you not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe it now so that you can get this notification for my upcoming presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.